Hi everyone. In this video, we'll talk about something that is becoming increasingly important in the AI world, ChatGPT. But first, let's look at chatbots in general, and specifically what distinguishes a chatbot from the new technology, ChatGPT. After that, we'll be discussing ChatGPT in depth, explaining what it is, how it works, and what it can be used for. Chatbots are programs that simulate human conversations. They're built to interact with users in natural language. It's become a popular way for businesses to interact with customers. You've probably seen many examples of chatbots on websites these days. Chatbots are typically made of AI and NLP, natural language processing. They are able to understand users' input and then generate an appropriate response. In the past, there were some limitations with these AI-based chatbots, as they could not learn or understand human language. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It is a new technology that has been designed to improve upon chatbots by combining AI and NLP with GPT-3 technology. ChatGPT is a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. It is an extension of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer model, which is a large language model that has been trained on a large dataset of text in order to generate human-like text. Like GPT, ChatGPT is designed to generate text that is coherent and flows naturally, making it suitable for use in a variety of applications. However, ChatGPT has been specifically designed for use in chatbots and other conversational AI applications. This means that it is particularly well-suited for generating text that is meant to be spoken or written in a conversational context. So how does ChatGPT work? Essentially, ChatGPT is a machine learning model that has been trained on a large dataset of text. This training process involves feeding the model a large amount of text and using algorithms to adjust the model's internal parameters in order to optimize its performance. As a result, ChatGPT is able to generate text that is coherent and flows naturally, just like a human would. But what sets ChatGPT apart from other language models is its ability to generate text that is specifically tailored for use in a conversational context. This is achieved through the use of what are known as contextual embeddings, which allow the model to take into account the context in which the text is being generated. For example, if ChatGPT is being used in a chatbot, it might be given a prompt such as, "Hello, how are you today?" The model would then use its contextual embeddings to generate a response that is appropriate for the given context, such as, "I'm doing well. Thank you. How are you?" Now let's look at the pros and cons of ChatGPT. On the plus side, ChatGPT is faster and more efficient than traditional chatbots. It can provide accurate automated responses in natural language. Plus, its contextual memory means that it can remember and recall information from previous conversations. This makes it more useful for customer service chatbots. It also has the potential to be more personal and engaging than traditional chatbots. Other key benefits of ChatGPT is that it can generate text that is highly personalized and tailored to the specific needs of the user. This makes it ideal for use in chatbots and other conversational AI applications, where the goal is to create a natural and seamless conversation between the user and the AI. There are a number of different ways in which ChatGPT can be used. For example, it can be used to build chatbots that can be used in customer service, sales, or other business applications. It can also be used to generate responses to questions or queries in real time, making it an ideal tool for use in virtual assistants or other interactive AI applications. Another potential use for ChatGPT is in the development of content for social media or other online platforms. By using the model to generate text that is engaging and relevant to the user, it is possible to create content that is highly targeted and effective at driving engagement. On the negative side, ChatGPT is still a relatively new technology, which means there are some bugs and glitches that can sometimes occur. It's also more expensive than traditional chatbots, so it may not be the best choice for small businesses. And, like all ad technologies, there's a potential for abuse, such as malicious use of ChatGPT to mimic human behavior and manipulate people. Limited understanding of context. While ChatGPT is able to take into account the context in which text is being generated, it may not always be able to fully understand the nuances or complexities of a given conversation. This could lead to the model generating responses that are inappropriate or not fully aligned with the intended meaning. Bias in training data. Like any machine learning model, ChatGPT is only as good as the data it has been trained on. If the training data is biased in some way, it is possible that this bias could be reflected in the text generated by the model. Dependence on large amounts of data. ChatGPT is a large and complex model that requires a significant amount of data in order to function effectively. This means that it may not be suitable for use in situations where there is a limited amount of data available. Limitations on customizability. While ChatGPT is able to generate text that is personalized and tailored to the specific needs of the user, it may not always be possible to fully customize the model to meet the specific requirements of a given application. As we all know, Google Search is the go-to destination for finding information online. But with the recent advancements in natural language processing and the emergence of powerful language models like ChatGPT, some are wondering if these models might one day be able to replace Google Search entirely. So, will language models like ChatGPT be able to replace Google Search? The short answer is no, at least not in the foreseeable future. While ChatGPT and other language models are certainly impressive and have a wide range of potential applications, they are not currently advanced enough to replace Google Search as a primary source of information. One of the main reasons for this is that language models like ChatGPT are not able to access and index the entire internet the way that Google does. Google Search uses a vast network of servers and algorithms to crawl the web, indexing billions of web pages and making them searchable. ChatGPT and other language models, on the other hand, can only generate text based on the data that they have been trained on. This means that they are limited to generating responses based on the information that they have learned from this data, rather than being able to access and search the entire internet. Another reason that language models like ChatGPT are not able to replace Google Search is that they are not yet able to understand and interpret the meaning of words and phrases in the same way that humans do. While ChatGPT is able to generate text that is coherent and flows naturally, it is not able to fully understand the context or meaning of the words that it is generating. This means that it is not able to provide the same level of accurate and relevant search results as Google. Future direction of ChatGPT and other language models will depend on the needs and goals of the researchers and practitioners working in the field, as well as the direction of technological and scientific developments in natural language processing and artificial intelligence. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile natural language processing model that has a wide range of potential applications. Whether you are looking to build a chatbot, develop a virtual assistant, or create engaging content for social media, ChatGPT has the capabilities to help you achieve your goals. Thank you for watching this video on ChatGPT. We hope that you now have a better understanding of what ChatGPT is and how it works. If you have any further questions or want to learn more about its capabilities, comment down below. Thank you.